So it's raining very, very heavy today. I believe it's that strong storm that passed through in its wake, almost like a hurricane, like tornadoes. Hey Ashley. Who's Ash? She's so cute. But yeah, the storm is so strong that I'm not even going to deliver. I'm home today. It's unfortunate because I need to make the money to get out of this. And look, I'm packing. Everything's in boxes. Yeah, so it's coming. Oh, they're gonna moosh you on a bed. Counting down to just days now. I'm trying to focus the camera so you can see outside, but it's like focusing on the raindrops on the window. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, open the window so you see how it looks outside in front of the home I am and in this apartment. It's so bad and heavy and windy that it's very hard to drive in the rain, and I don't like it. I kind of just wanted to film, I guess, my cats, like, play with them and make something to eat. Just relax day, but I don't have time to relax. I'm doing this all so we can have a place to stay, to live. This is the apartment I saw the other day. It would be nice to have something like this. It's so cute and cozy. Well, until next time.